What is going on, guys? It's your boy Brandon back again for another video. Today's going to be a little bit different because we won't really be working on the Volkswagen or a Volkswagen or 240 or Volkswagen. Today we got something in store for you. This is Tyson's brother Gavin's Toyota Celica, which you don't really see a lot of. And bam!
Back in the mainland, in Japan, they don't run. It wouldn't say Celica like it used to right here. They just run this sweet emblem, which signifies that it's a Celica. This is the Celica Dragon right there.
Ooh,
that's the OG. The OG of the OG.
It is a legit dragon. Show them the sub box and stuff that you guys did just real quick before you get too carried away.
You gotta come from this side.
Ooh.
Come on this side.
Bam! So you can see the box that they made, and it legit has a motherfucking dragon over there. Look at that. And you people in Japan want a custom one made. It's your boy right there.
Right here.
Anyways, they're gonna slap these coils on this bad boy. They're gonna attempt to. We'll see how well this goes. And yeah, and then I think Norman's gonna come over and we're gonna weld the cap back onto the FC. So you guys get to see a bunch of cars you don't normally see. Turboed FC and the only Celica I've ever seen with coilovers. Da, da, da. All right, Robbie, what are we doing on this bad boy?
We're gonna switch cheese the airbox here so we can get more sound and about 30 more horsepower on this little 4-cylinder here.
But California won't be able to know.
But we're gonna hide the holes, yeah, so it still passes our rigorous smog.
Yeah, hardcore out here. It's hard out here for a temp.
We're using a 9/16, no 5/8. 5/8 hole.
Just so you guys know, this is a Volkswagen thing before it moves on. We're just trying to... Oh, that's a square hole. I've never seen a square drill bit before, but it's possible.
That's because this Toyota runs so hot that it heated up the plastic and made it really brittle. God damn.
Spread them out farther.
Really impressive. Oh, behind the scenes again.
So now we got the Gavinator over here. Trying to hit himself in the head with the muffler. Ooh. Yeah, that's right. We're about to make this bitch loud-ish, kind of. Louder. Gucci gang. There you go, dude. Just leave it like that.
Yeah, that's perfect. Front down a collar so it's set.
Yep. Give her a fat daddy.
Give her a ripper.
Yeah. Way to clean my driveway. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. Because it's gonna be like a little weight transfer, so.
Alright. Straighten out. There you go. Keep
Stop
it
for
like
this
that.
car.
Camry coming.
I don't know if he's gonna be ready for all the power it has now. Swiss cheese airbox.
There you go. Keep it going. Straight out. You're good. Perfect.
Boom. Welcome to adulthood.
Take her around the block.
Alright, so you guys might recognize Norman's car from... And since then, he rebuilt the motor, and now we're gonna put the cap back on it because it's smelly and drives a little dirty on the ground, so we don't want it to stink and draw too much attention to himself if he does drive it on the street. What? Dude, these wheels came out so good. What started as adding a cat came out to straightening and completing the whole exhaust. So we got Captain Fab up down in here. You can see we put a flex in the upper portion, the downpipe, to raise the whole entire exhaust. And now we are, well, Rob is
building a cat.
Yeah, building a cat. He still uses flanges on both sides. So you could essentially build it so touch pipes if you want it.
Building a catalytic converter.
What?
Or a Cadillac converter.
Virginia. And then just go left again. Just keep making that loop. That's my 240 loop. You can see tread marks here from me doing donuts.
Bet your life on it. He got the ice on it. We're still got the sights on it. That walking stigma, that in poltergeist. Still feeling stuck every single night. Don't give a fuck if I live to die. Surprised to this point that I have survived. Pull up with the motherfucking AK talk. This boy, good luck, young play. Got the play here to say that we spray with the fofo.
Alright guys, so I totally forgot to close out the video, so I'm doing it now, which is the next day. I actually just got off work. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. I got plenty of fun things coming. Give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. I hope you guys had an awesome 4th of July. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.